visualization proposed in this paper is a football player analysis dashboard called PLAYER3SIXTY. This dashboard is meant to be a resource that can help managers and scouts filter, compare, and analyze the top players across the world and accordingly make a decision that would be worth the investment. This dashboard helps coaches and scouts by providing simplified yet effective exploratory visualization tools to discover the most promising profiles. The data used in this dashboard originates from Kaggle, which includes detailed attributes of 18,207 football players. The dashboard lets you select how you want to compare the player's information through drop-down controls that represent X and Y axis of the scatter plot. Each individual data point represents a football player who is color-encoded by their nationality. Players can also be filtered out for a specific country by double-clicking on the country name in the legend. Range slider controls the number of data points to be displayed on the scatter plot from the range 0 to 1000. Hovering over an individual player from a scatter plot dynamically loads the player's information in the player profile card, player's statistics in the radar plot, and relates the player with their country's average attribute. The radar plot is used to visualize and compare multivariate data representing the player's statistics in terms of attributes, skills, and goalkeeping ratings. Each axis of the radar plot shares a common scale from 0 to 100. Stats of the player who is hovered over are plotted along each axis of a radar plot and connected to form a polygon. Stats can be compared by selecting the color-encoded legends for attributes, skills, and goalkeeping ratings. A choropleth map is used to represent the average of players' attribute represented on the y-axis of the scatter plot through a color scale on the world map. In classified choropleth map, having a gradient display is used to enable the user easily interpret high and low density areas. On hovering over the player's location, a tooltip indicating the player's attribute value in comparison with their country's average value is visible. For example, the dashboard compares the value of Cristiano Ronaldo with an average value of a football player from Portugal. This visualization enables the user interaction and provide a 360-degree view of any of the top 1,000 football players in the world.